Are you ready to learn how to use Deel for contractor onboarding? In this quick Deel guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps of streamlining your onboarding process with this powerful platform. Whether you're managing multiple contractors or just getting started, Deel offers a solution that simplifies everything from contracts to payments. First, let's dive into how Deel helps you with onboarding contractors effortlessly. When you start with Deel, the first thing you'll notice is how user-friendly the interface is. You can quickly create contracts tailored to each contractor's role. No more back and forth emails or confusing paperwork. Deel's platform allows you to send contracts that contractors can sign digitally from anywhere in the world. Now, let's move on to the next step, document collection. Deel automatically guides contractors through the necessary steps to upload their identification and any required tax forms, saving you a ton of time. It's incredibly secure too, with encryption that ensures everything stays confidential. No more worrying about misplaced documents or slow responses. Once contracts are signed and documents are submitted, Deel makes the payment process smooth and efficient. You can pay contractors in their preferred currency, and Deel handles the conversion if necessary. It's as simple as choosing the amount, clicking a button, and letting Deel take care of the rest. The best part? Deel integrates with accounting systems, so tracking payments and keeping financial records is a breeze. You won't need to manually input information, and you'll always have access to a detailed history of payments made. This means no more scrambling to find records come tax time. Everything is in one place. Another game-changing feature is Deel's ability to onboard contractors globally, no matter where they're located. Deel complies with labor laws in over 100 countries, making it a great option if you're working with contractors in different regions. You'll get access to local contracts that are legally compliant with each country's regulations, which saves you from the stress of worrying about compliance. And of course, Deel's platform is designed to scale as your business grows. Whether you're hiring a few contractors or building a global team, Deel can accommodate your needs without missing a beat. You can add new contractors seamlessly, update contracts on the fly, and manage all your contractors from one central dashboard. So, if you're wondering how to use Deel for contractor onboarding, now you know how it can make your life easier. The automation, security, and ease of use are exactly why Deel is such a popular choice for businesses looking to hire contractors globally. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can use Deel completely free with an exclusive bonus offer by clicking the first link in the description below. With this offer, you'll get an extended free trial to test all the features I've mentioned. And trust me, you'll love how seamless it is. Give Deel a try today and start onboarding contractors like a pro.